Hello everyone, welcome to the new STEM Think STEM Academy, and this is the classes of Scratch, and we are going to cover one by one of Scratch topic every Sunday at 4 p.m. Today is the lesson 4, and the topic is events and control blocks. So today we will cover in events and control blocks through using when flag clicked and other events. Okay, every program needs to starter, so this concept will be helpful for the how to start a whole program when a single click. We will cover under loops. There are so many loops are there, repeat loops, forever loops. So we will understand how loops work and what is the function of loops. And last, we will make an one activity. The uh, the activity is make a sprite move continuously. So here we go. Let me come with Scratch. This is the Scratch interface. So this is our sprite, and this is our blocks palette. So today we will learn about events blocks. So click on events. So there are so many scripts in events block, and we will cover one by one. Before that, we will uh, assume a one program. So suppose if I click this, move 10 steps and turn 15 degree, 90 degree, okay, 90 degree. So after that, move 10 steps and turn 90 degree. So, okay, so when I click on this move 10 steps, it will move 10 steps, turn 90 degree, move 10 steps, 90 degree. Okay, in the parallel of this program, I want to execute one more program. Suppose if I take another sprite, bear. Okay, so let me, okay, so I want move 10 steps. Okay, remove this and move 50 steps. Okay, move 50 steps. And I, in the parallel of this sprite, I want to move bear, move 50 steps. 50 steps. And when I click on this, the wheel will move forward in 50 steps, but the cat is not moving. You have to click in this coding of this sprite. So what we go through that, we will use flag clicked. When I say this flag is clicked, so I use this when green flag clicked, and when flag clicked. So when I click on this green flag, both are moving parallel. Means both are performing the commands as well as I given it here. So this is the use of when green flag clicked. The same if I remove this, and when I use this when space clicked, So when I click on the space from the keyboard, the sprite will move. The same scripts will work as well when I backdrop switches to backdrop 1. So this is the indication to how to start the program when window switch to backdrop 1. When you switch over the backdrop, so it will start the code. Okay. And last, this when I receive message 1. So suppose if I go to get sprite, when I receive message 1, okay, when I receive such when flag clicked and broadcast message 1, and in between of this click on move 10 steps. So when flag clicked, it moved 10 steps and broadcast message 1. But in the code of where, when I receive message 1, it moves -10. Okay, see what happens. See, see, both is moving opposite, because when cat is move 10 steps and release a message 1, after receive the message 1 by bear, it moved 10 steps back. So you can see both are running oppositely. So this is the function of broadcast message. And now look on control. The control is to wait or repeat of the program. If you want to repeat your program 1 steps, 10 steps, forever, so this is the wait block. If you want to wait your scripts, you can assign a wait 1 seconds, 2 seconds. If when I click frag motion 10 steps and I want to use this move 10 steps 10 times regular, so I can put this repeat 10 times, so it will rotate it will sorry it will move 10 steps into 10 steps. So after 10 steps it will repeat the 10 steps, repeat the 10 steps, repeat the 10 steps into 10 times. So you can understand very well that what is the use of this 10 steps. So now come to this control blocks. This is the forever blocks. Okay, when I want to move 10 step continuously until I enter end button, so you can see this. When clean flagged, it move continuously forever 10 steps. It will not stop until I press stop button. So stop. Okay, so you can understand the difference between this repeat 10 times and forever. Repeat 10 times is to repeat a certain number of times, but a forever is to repeat until the program end or you press any end button. Now come to this part, if block. This is the conditional block. Block is defined as a certain condition. If you can see this condition, if uh, when green flag, if touching mouse pointer, then move, sorry, turn 15 degree. See, oof, sorry, okay, touching mouse pointer. Okay, if touching as, then move 10 steps. So move 10 steps. Yes, follow. So move 10 steps, move 10 steps. So there is a certain condition. If this sprite is touching edge, it turns 15 degrees. See, leave this. I will wait. Let me take another example. If books save. So actually this is block is used for condition block. I will explain later in the next part. Forever, these blocks are used for the conditions based, and some other blocks are for the create clones. So only just I want to cover only the events block. This events block, when space key pressed, move 10 steps. When any A key pressed, move 10 steps. So when you click A buttons, it moves 10 steps. So this is the general and basic information of this blocks, events blocks and control blocks. Okay, now in the last, understanding loops forever and repeat, I'll cover using Franklin and cover. Okay, now last activity, make a sprite move continuously. So I want to delete this. I want to this sprite move continuously and turn left. So there's activity, when flank clicked, move 100 steps, 100 steps, and forever. Yes. So move 100 steps and just motion 90 degree. Okay. So you see what happens like this. Okay, now again move 100 steps and 90 degree. Click move 100 steps and 90 degree. This happens. If I use another one, move 100 steps and click 90 degree. So, and move steps 190 degree. Okay, so there is a eight blocks, two blocks couple in the section of 4. Move 100 steps, turn 90 degree, move 100 steps, turn 90 degree, move 100 steps, 90 degree, 400 steps and turn 90 degree. Okay, and if I see, it is not showing because the action of the execute the command, the timing will be very short, so you cannot see as the performing code. So you have to be give wait from in the between of each block last. So okay, see now, see now see now there is a 4 times. It rotate is an square form only for 4 times, and I want to this continues forever. So see, it will move and rotate as a forever until I press this stop button. So this is the small activity which we learn about the loops, forever loops, repeats, how the flag command, what is the function of flag command, events. So this is the part of the Scratch where we use this concept in very wide range of games and animations in the future. So I hope you understand. If every so okay, thank you very much. I hope you can enjoy a lesson lot, and you can subscribe me for more updates and games. I am also making some new types of games based on Christmas. I think this week I will released one of the game based on the Christmas. So kindly connect and subscribe me, and thank you. Bye bye. समझ गए, बीच में जो अपन रुकता है ना उसको रोको मत। सिर्फ 4 मिनट